Hi, I'm Michael Kelly, President and Chief Operating Officer at Bradford Marine. Since its founding in 1966, Bradford Marine has been recognized as one of South Florida's leading yacht repair facilities. My father, John Kelly, and I purchased Bradford Marine because of our lifelong love of boating. With over 50 years of management, financial, and real estate experience, we're excited to begin a series of enhancements to our full-service marinas. First, we're expanding our short-term and long-term dockage, taking advantage of our premium covered docks and hurricane-safe location on the new river. Second, we're continuing our focus on top-quality yacht repair and maintenance, with over 150 skilled craftsmen on staff in both Fort Lauderdale and Freeport, Grand Bahama, to ensure your project is completed on time and on budget. Finally, we'll continue our brokerage sales services so we can help you purchase your next boat or sell your current boat. Bradford Marine's legacy will continue as we create a new hub for the yachting community. Come visit us and say hello. We look forward to seeing you.